Hi everybody, welcome to my new YouTube channel. Today we're gonna head out on a little solo camping trip, so I figured I'd bring y'all along with me and welcome you to my new channel, What's Around the Bend. So I'm just about ready to go here. Just did the final walkthrough. I've got everything packed up, so I'm gonna head out, grab some gas and a couple little last minute provisions, and then I'll be on my way. So we'll see you then. Thanks. Okay, so I found a spot here, fairly close to the lake, and I think I'm just gonna pull a few things out, get myself camp set up, and see what happens from there. Get things going, have a little bit of a break, run down, set my tents up and my fishing hut, and then get some fishing into this afternoon. Okay. So I can even go further, but I'll deal with that tomorrow when I pack up. So for now, I'm going to put this in here. I think I'll just move this stuff around the trailer, and then I will simply just back it up and position the truck where I want it. Okay, Let's do this thing. Let's see. It's gonna put me where I want to be, which should be right about here. Perfect. I think I'm gonna have a look outside, see how it looks. I think this will be home for the night. So, yeah, that should work. I'll put my awning out and start setting up camp. So let's do that now. All right. This awning was an idea I had earlier this year, and I went on a week-long hunting trip down in the South Caribou, and decided I was going to take on yet another project at the last minute and build this, and it actually worked out quite well. It kept my stuff dry and sheltered, and gave me a little covered place to sit if I needed to. So let's utilize it again. All right. Okay. And the nice thing about it, it's sturdy, pardon me, but it's also easy enough for one person to man. I used the wrong bungee cords to hold the thing together, I think. Okay. And away we go. Oh, this is icy. I meant to take it off, put it away for the spring or for the winter, and yeah, I didn't do that. I left it on my truck, and in hindsight, I'm kind of glad I did that, because now I don't have to dig it out again. Out and ready to rock and roll. So there, that goes there. Yeah. That's not quite as fancy as your, good store-bought ones that, you buy for your ready-made truck awning, but it will do the trick. So, got some rope around here somewhere. I'm gonna go unlock my door. Yeah. First, I got the tappy tap, which will tappy tap that into the snow. That should work for now. Okay. To which bin I put rope? You believe it is this one, right? Why am I missing? Oh, there it is. Okay. The music box, in case I want to listen to something later. Drill. What did I do? Okay, well, I'll find it anyway. So, oh, look, I got a little friend. He's already hanging around. You see if you'll smile for the camera. There he is. A little camp robber. He's already decided that this is the place for him to be. Poking around my stuff already, looking for stuff that he can steal. And as you can see, he's obviously not too concerned about me. So, okay, I have some work to do here, so I will carry on carrying on. There we go. Okay, let's get my mat out so I can get my heater set up. These RV mats are the bomb, especially when it's dirty out. You want just something to keep you remotely out of the mud or snow in this case. There we go. Should fit in between my holes. And we have a mat. Okay, now I'm gonna have to find something to fit under there, but that's okay. Back door. Setting Quiet. Okay. Nope. Okay. That'll look. Not sure how well y'all are gonna hear me here. But good. Black microphone. Fell off on my truck. Okay. Well, looking. So, work. Huh. Here. Here still. Fall into here maybe. That would be yellow for dead. See it. Okay, so now this is up the turn. I do have a second one. But you know what? Just go. Go. Work. Oh, my God. Okay, well, hopefully y'all can hear me. I've had some slight difficulty. Lost my mic, one of them. So I'm not sure where the other one is right now. But I will. Oh, is that? Yeah, look at that! I found it. Oh my god, it's in my boot. How funny is that? I've been walking around with it the whole time. I apologize if you guys were getting any kind of weird feedback noises or anything like that. Yeah, had a little technical difficulty there, but I think we've got it straightened away now. So I found my microphone in my boot, which means you guys probably heard me the whole time. So we'll probably be editing some of that out. Anyway, back on to bigger and better things. Let's finish setting up camp. So what I've got here is this strange concoction of stuff. I've built a vent or a heat duct. We'll see how this works for tonight. This is like I tested it at home in my driveway, but this will be my first real. I better take that bag out first, and a few other things. So let's take this stuff out. Go back in the back seat, and I'm done. Camera gear and the like. Battery for my heater unit. I wish I had a door that stayed open. Okay, my fishing rods. Ouch. Alright. So, let's get this set up first. There. I'm going to have to fill my heater before I put it up. It'll just be easier. Fuel pump. There. I know this is a lot, but it's about the only real way I have to run the heater into the truck without actually having it inside the truck. So, and problem with having it inside the truck is, and you'll see when I set it up, if you haven't seen one of these already, the exhaust and the combustion air intake comes straight out the bottom, and they have to drape down here. So, that being said, there's not a lot of room in here to be able to put it up where I can actually run exhaust and air out the bottom. So the only thing going into the truck itself should be this 3-inch opening, which is your warm air. So I'm going to just throw some fuel in this thing, fill it right up, and then we'll get it set up. So, lots of go-go juice. So I'll run it as warm as I need to, and hopefully it won't run out in the middle of the night, which will be bad because these heaters do not like to run out of fuel. They can start giving you all sorts of codes and goofy stuff happening, and it can be very tough to get started again. Set that up right there. So I don't think that's the way I want it. Oh, that's gotta go there. Okay. All right. So here we have our exhaust tube, which yep. I will know soon enough if I hook it up. Okay, make sure the hole's to the bottom. Yeah, this is just combustion air. So, yeah, this should be just the way I had it at home. I wasn't thinking when I took this stuff off. But still, okay, so that's on. Now I'll go set up my, and I will show you once I've got it all set up what it looks like and how it works. So now let's bring that. That's as far as that'll go. And it's like so. There. Got it. All right. So that's a little hillbilly, but it works. So that's the main thing. All right. So and we align everything up. Okay. And we get the tower. Oh. Oh, wrong way. Almost had a boo-boo. Okay. All right. Okay. So we'll get that one there. I don't know how much y'all can see. What I do have on here is also a battery tender. So if the battery runs low, I can simply fire up the generator and put some juice to the battery, because these diesel heaters are great but they do not run well on low voltage. So let's see where we there. Okay, so I'm going to power it on. All right, going out. So for now, because it's warm, relatively warm, I am simply going to set it on low and just let it start maintaining a temperature inside the truck. All right. Oh, sorry about the hand. So there you have it. So your air to be heated comes in here through this fan. This is, it runs your combustion and your exhaust. There's basically a furnace in there, heats the air, blows the warm, clean air out here, and your exhaust comes out here. There's the fuel pump. So she should be igniting any second. And there you go. And a little bit of diesel exhaust coming out. And that will, to this point, on the couple of test fires that I've had, will actually clear right up and you will not see it or barely smell it, which is why it should be pumped outside. Okay, so look inside. So this is my Hillbilly air vent and heat duct, and it is blowing nicely through there. I got nice airflow there, and once that warms up, should be pumping nice warm air through the whole truck. So on that note, I'm gonna put you back and finish setting up a couple things. Then I'm going to sit and have a coffee because it would be that time. So I will get my cook stove out. Looks like I might have to try and find a whole bunch of clean snow to boil up with water tonight because, yeah, somebody forgot to stop to grab water and his multitude of stops along the way. So, my bad. It happens. It happened. Not much I can do about it. So, okay. What else do I need for now? Bring the barbecue out a bit. And take a little break. And then I will set up my... Oh, there's the ropes I was looking for. More bungee cords. Good. Okay. All sorts of goodies in here. You guys don't want to see this right now. It is a bit of a mess. So I will organize it a little better when I pack up tomorrow and come home. So, but let me get the gist of what I got going on here pretty quick. Tables to that, and maybe move y'all over here. I don't think you want to look at my awning. Here, let's do this. Okay. And I'm going to sit and have a little coffee break. And listen to my diesel heater tick, 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 tick away. Oh. Now, here we are. Camp's mostly set up. Cheers. Coffee. Oh, I need that.